Hey guys, welcome back to Sonic Social Tech. Today in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account. First open up your app and then click on the three dots. And then find settings and privacy. And then click on settings. And just go to the account center. And then find personal details. And then click on account ownership and control. And select the second option of deactivation. Then click on your own profile again. Now you have two options. First, deactivate account. Second, delete account. So if you want to delete your account, so select the second option. Before you delete your Facebook account, you see the 5 options. You can select any of them. That's all. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.